Whether you are new to your career or an industry veteran with 20 years of experience, it's likely that you want to increase your take-home pay. Although we can't guarantee you a raise this year, there are some ways to increase your income in 2022, and you might not even have to leave the house to do it. Welcome to our channel. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe. It only takes a second, and you can always change your mind later. Let's begin. Number 1. Ask to work from home. Commuting to work every day isn't just time-consuming. It can be incredibly expensive. In fact, research found that commuting costs Americans an average of $2,600 a year. That works out to about $216 a month. A significant chunk of change you could save if you reduced or eliminated your commute time. Save on commuting by asking your boss if you can work remotely, either full-time or a few days per week. Skype, Slack, and other networking apps make remote collaboration easier than ever. And the Harvard Business Review reported that working from home can actually make employees more productive. Number 2. Work out at home. Staying fit is crucial for maintaining your quality of life, and staying healthy can help you save money in the long run. Still, a gym membership can be pricey. Statistic Brain reported that the average health club membership costs $58 per month, and that number can jump up to more than $100 if you live in a pricier area, like Astoria, New York. Increase your take-home pay by ditching the gym membership to work out on your own. Take brisk walks and runs around your neighborhood, and spend an hour cycling on the weekend. You can strengthen your muscles with bodyweight exercises like push-ups, which you can do at home. Number 3. Upcycle and sell. If you have an eye for design or you're the crafty type, consider upcycling and selling goods on Etsy or eBay or through local boutiques or consignment shops. Sometimes, a little sanding and a fresh coat of paint are enough to turn old, abandoned furniture into someone else's treasure. Get the hang of selling online by cleaning out your home and listing the goods you're ready to part with. Many communities have online garage sales run through Facebook. If you develop a knack for photography and selling your own items, offer to manage the listings for other people in your community. For a commission, of course. Don't hesitate to think outside the box and sell unconventional goods too. Jeff Neal, for example, says he takes home $800 per month in profits, on top of the salary from his full-time job, by running his online store, The Critter Depot. His product? Feeder crickets. Number 4. Rent out a room and maximize your taxes. If you live in a pricey city and travel often, consider renting out some or a part of your home on a room-sharing site, such as Airbnb. Even renting your space for a weekend occasionally might be enough to net you a few $100s. Rent your property for 14 days or less, and you don't need to declare the money as income. And if you pass the 14-day threshold, make sure to file using Schedule E, which results in a significantly lower tax rate, since you avoid the 15.3% federal self-employment tax. Number 5. Work on the holidays. Of course, working more can increase your paycheck. However, you don't necessarily have to log more hours to make more money. Depending on your employer, simply choosing the right shifts could help you earn more. If your employer offers time and a half or double time payment for working on the holidays, consider signing up for an extra shift or two to increase your take-home pay. The extra work doesn't necessarily have to get in the way of your holiday fun either. Consider celebrating Thanksgiving on Saturday or Sunday instead of Thursday, for example, to pick up some extra cash. Number 6. Capitalize on employer-sponsored childcare. If you're fortunate enough to work at a company that offers childcare, Google runs 4 care centers near its Mountain View, California headquarters, these on-site perks can make a big difference in your take-home pay. Childcare Aware of America reported the full-time care costs an annual average of $12,781 in Massachusetts, and still rings in at $3,997 yearly in the least expensive state, Mississippi. So getting free or heavily discounted childcare could be a big boost to your paycheck. Number 7. Monetize your vlog, blog, or a website. If you have a website or YouTube channel, you might be able to make money by monetizing it. One quick way to earn money online is to place ads on your site. You'll earn money anytime someone views or clicks the ad. How much you earn depends on your platform and your contract with the advertiser. But if you run a YouTube channel that receives 1,000 views a day, you might be able to earn an extra $14,040 per year. According to Social Blade, a research and consulting company specializing in social media marketing.